Let's discuss the relationship between a low-fat diet and your sex hormones. Now, when I'm talking about sex hormones, I'm not just talking about sex. I'm talking about the hormones produced by the sex glands, the ovary and the testicle, as well as the adrenal glands. In other words, you have a lot of different hormones, but those hormones that are considered sex hormones are created from cholesterol, this bad thing that you've probably been avoiding for a long time because someone told you it was dangerous for your heart and your arteries. But in fact, it has a very, very important purpose. Your body actually makes a tremendous amount of cholesterol. In other words, 75% of all the cholesterol in your body right now is made from your body, and only 25% of it comes from your diet. I'm talking about egg yolks, butter, meat, fish, seafood, organ meats, dairy. You do not have any cholesterol in coconut oil or coconuts or avocados or nuts, only animal products. So the hormones that are made from cholesterol are estrogen, well, it should be estrogens because there's three, progesterone, androgens, there's several of them, one being testosterone. There's cortisol, but there's also a group of different types of cortisol hormones. There's also aldosterone. Aldosterone is also made from cholesterol, and that has everything to do with retaining sodium, okay? So that's what aldosterone does. So these are the sex hormones, which mean they're created from cholesterol. And what you might not know is if you starve your body of cholesterol, whether you're on a statin or you're on a low-fat diet, there could be some slight minor complications or side effects. I've done a video on statins. There's quite a few side effects for your muscles. You start having pain and inflammation and dysfunction in your muscles, and even increasing certain side effects that relate to the heart. Is if you're deficient in cholesterol, these are some of the side effects that you could experience. Low libido, depression, feeling more stress, low tolerance to stress, insomnia, irritability, or anxiety, gallstones. Now, why would you get a gallstone if you don't have enough cholesterol? Because your bile that's made by your liver comes from cholesterol. And if you don't have enough bile, you develop gallstones. So bile keeps the cholesterol flowing through the bile ducts and flowing into the small intestine. Low vitamin D. Why would you get low vitamin D if you don't have enough cholesterol? Because vitamin D is made from cholesterol. Also, you need bile, which is made from cholesterol, to break down this fat-soluble vitamin, not to mention vitamin A, E, and K. Another symptom that people get when they're low on cholesterol is bloating. See, without the cholesterol and the fat in the body, food goes through the system fairly quick, which means sometimes it doesn't actually have a chance to allow the enzymes to digest it. When you consume food that's higher in fat, it goes slower through the digestive system, so the enzymes and other digestive juices have a chance to break the food down, creating less bloating. Okay, another symptom would be anxiety, brain atrophy, because a lot of your brain is made from fat and cholesterol. I mean, think about the nervous system. It's mostly fat. Next one, reduce cognitive function and risk of suicide. Well, other than that, you'll be perfectly healthy. So if you're new to my channel and you're not on the ketogenic plan, which includes a lot of these foods right here, I put a link down below so you can check it out. But realize this, you don't have to be afraid of cholesterol as long as you keep your carbs on the low side. So if you're enjoying my content, which I hope you are, and you're applying this knowledge to your health, and you have a success, I'd really appreciate you sharing your success story. So click the link down below to my website where you can upload your success story so you can help inspire others.